everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Markeisha, and today I'm going to share with you my swap that I received from Betty, who is Scrap Passion 01. I will have a link below for Betty's channel so that you guys can go over and check out her channel as well as her upload on her swap. That way you can see all of the things that she created, and she goes in, way more details than, of course, I am going to go into with this swap. If you missed the upload where I shared what I sent Betty, I'll also have that for you guys to check out as well. So this was so much fun, guys. I am still in awe of all of the wonderful things that Betty created for me. Again, this was a bee as well as a fruit theme swap that we decided to do. It was originally just supposed to be like some embellishments, but we always just create, and we just have creative freedom. We don't have any restraints, and we just have fun. So let me share with you the first thing I'm going to show you today. And so here is this beautiful cup that Betty gave me, and she created this here, and this is so sweet. It says sweet summertime there, and I really love this yellow. And I'm not even sure if Betty even know this, and I forgot to mention this to her, but I have totally been into yellow. I recently lost my aunt, who was like a mother to me, and the color that we all wore was yellow. And ever since then, I have been yellow crazy. Like, I even have yellow flowers in front of my yard. So, and the wreath on my door is like a yellow bee theme type wreath. So, anywho, back to why you guys are here today. This is a really fun cup here. You can push it here for the drink. And then Betty also created a shirt with this. All right. And here is the beautiful shirt that Betty created. Everything just matched. She actually have like a whole gift set with this. This is pink and yellow, which went really good with my swaps, as I went with pink lemonade. And so it really matches very well. And then if that's not enough, Betty also created like a journal to go with that. Here is the journal. It is a fruit theme with the strawberries, with the strawberry pen there. And then it has this sweet summertime sticker here on the front. So I don't know if you guys are like me, but I am obsessed with journals and planners and things like that. I was really excited to get this. And Betty had everything packaged so well. She also sent the care instructions for my shirt there. And I'll just share with you guys how she packaged the swap. Everything had its own compartment here. So this is a box here with the lemon and orange theme, and it just had lots of goodies here. I am definitely going to keep this box, and so I'm going to try to go very quickly here, guys. But I have some cherries there, pink lemonade gum, ladybug stickers, fruit and watermelon icebreakers, this really cute charm set here with all the fruit on it, some watermelon ribbon, a watermelon die here, which I'm really excited to play with. And here's some fun stickers here. They're very dimensional. I love dimensional stickers. This is one of my favorite set of these stickers. I use these as well. And then some puffy stickers here. Here is some more puffy stickers. And then she gave me some scented markers here. I'll have to keep these away from my grandchildren. All right, here's another box. And it's bee themed. You can see all the bees on there. All right. In here, I have this really cute bee card here. It says "Be Happy," with all of the honeycomb embossing on there. And then it's just opened up, and it talks about our swap there. Isn't that so cute? I love the little vellum wings there. So pretty. The glossy accent on the eyes and nose. And then I also have some lemon candles here. All right, here's another box. And in this box, she added some really fun, pretty spring, like pink lemonade type bee colors here. And she added this gorgeous little knob here on the top there. It's the other box here. It says Sweet Bee Backyard Honey Hives. And let's jump in and see what's inside. And guys, it's filled to the rim. So I'm gonna move this out the way and share with you what's inside. All right, I have this really nice pitcher here with the spoon, the little sugar on the spoon, a lot of the little strawberries that's really dangling down there off of that pitcher there. Really, really cute. And then these watermelons I thought was so yummy here. I really love this little sunflower that's in a pink bow theme there. I love these. I can't wait to play with these. My grandchildren have been eating some watermelon this summer. We've been finding those from the local farmers, and I got some photos, so I can't wait to use those. And here is another beautiful card candy here with the lemons there. I just love these. I love the pink and the yellow there. And then the little flippers there, or slippers there, the bee theme. And then I thought these were so yummy here. The little mason jars with the cute little neon straw there. That is so stinking cute. I love how that looks. And guys, these little ants and watermelon was so stinking cute. I told Betty I thought this was the cutest thing with the little ant, like he's holding the watermelon. That is so fun. This will be a great card candy to add to a layout. So I really, really like how this turned out, and I cannot wait to play with it. I have a sentiment to use. Like, this is all ready to go when it comes down to creating a layout. So I can't wait to play with that. All right, and here is some of the lemon word set here. All right, here's a cute little tag here that said, let bees bake for you. And I thought these was so cute because they kind of just look like it's lighting up. Like it's like, you know, one of those billboards is lighting up with the beehive, honeybee, and buzzing. So that's super, super cute. All right, so when I seen this, I was like about to fall out. This little cute little honey stir here is so fun, so cute. That little tiny little little bee right there just like grabbed my eye immediately. Like immediately, guys. Look at that. And then I have the pink and yellow little beehive there. This embellishment is also so cute. And then I love the seals that I can add to a project. And I really love how actually Betty and I both kind of did pink and yellow, and I thought that was cute. And here was another one of the bee packaging or card candy that I just loved, right? Everything is beautiful, but you know, I really, really love this this bee jar here with, again, I love how she added the little dots there on the beehive, on the little stir there. And then these little bees were so cute here. So cute. I love the pink on them. And I am still pulling, guys. And then here is another fun embellishment here. These are the strawberries here. And then this a really cute strawberry cup there with looks like pink lemonade in there and a little strawberry there. That is so pretty. All right, here's another fun embellishment. This is a little basket of fruit. And so lots of fruit there. And it says picked fresh. And I thought the little apple card candy was so cute. Like, this has a banner that you can use. Again, I'm thinking like a layout, guys, because I still do layouts. I still love to do layouts. And I was thinking this can be where you can have, you know, your apples there. Here is, you know, another embellishment here that says apple of my eye. And that can be, you know, like your sentiments there. And then look at this little branch here with those cute little ladybugs on there. Those are so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Betty really outdid herself. A shaker bottle here. It has lots of shake to it. Very, very pretty. I love the neon colors on here. I thought that turned out super cute. And then she gave me some embossed cardstock. Look how beautiful that is. It says lemons. This is so cute. This is ready to go. All I have to do is put this on a card base, and I have a cute, fun card already. Put a little small sentiment there, and there you go. So pretty. I need this embossing folder in my life. And then she sent me some of the embossed watermelon and then the apples here. She also made me some of the smaller pictures there, and I love how she incorporated the green and the yellow. I thought that was so fun and so cute with the green and yellow there. So nice. And then here are some cherries here. I think these turned out super cute too. Again, I have a sentiment to go with it. You are sweet. And then these, you know, I can even see this being, you know, on a layout as well, just with the fun. They're large enough there that you can actually add to a project. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in to today's video. Don't forget to check the links below if you would like to check out Betty's video on all of the wonderful embellishments that she created for me during our summer swap. I also will have a link below if you would like to check out what I created for Betty and what I gave her during our exchange. And guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I'll talk to you in my next crafty video. Bye.